Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how can you make a boat. Take a plain piece of paper. Take a piece of paper and fold it like this. Fold it like this. Then take your piece of paper. Fold it like, take this and fold it like this. When you're finish folding like this, open your sheets like this. Then take this edge where it's not, it's sealed. Do just like this. Nicely, and do the same on the other side. Take the and like this. And when you're finished doing this, take the down piece and take the down piece and do it up like this. And do the same on the other side. Both of the sides should be same. Then take one strip like this and take this and fold it in. Do the same with the other side. Just do like this. Let me show you. Take this piece of the edge and put it like this. Put the next piece same inside. Understand? Now you have to take your boat and you open your boat like this and put it like that. And when you're finished, you have to from the up to, you have to do it from the down. And do it from the other side also. The same, do it from the other side. When you're finished doing this from the both side, turn it where the line is, then do it like this, and voila, you have kind of this. Then take the top, push it like this. It's not finished. You have to like, open it, and here you go, your boat. You can also decorate it if you want, but I like a plain boat. And this is how you can make a boat. Bye bye.